Guys, to another interesting video. Guys, in this video I will provide you with a raw game booster which will help you to increase your gaming FPS and performance of Android. Guys, just follow me as I am doing. Please don't skip any part of the video or you will not understand. Guys, first open setting and go to developer option. I have already opened my developer option. If you don't know how to open developer option, go to about food section, software information and click build number 5 times. It is saying the developer mode has already been opened. Now go to developer option and find graphic drivers. You will find graphic drivers on top menu. Here the graphic driver, then go to and click your game and apply system graphic driver. It will improve graphics and overall performance of game, will also increase FPS. Now go to data achiever and install that app which is given in description. I have downloaded it. There, wait for install. Now it's done. Go back. Now here's the app. Start the app. Now wait little bit. It is loading. Done. Now if you want auto mode, so click auto mode. It will automatically clean your RAM and improve your FPS. It's done. Now gaming mode, don't allow. You have to give permission also. You have to give notification permission also. Now it's done. Allow modify system setting. Now click boost. It will boost your game. I have add my game so that my game will be boosted. Then there is lot of options. Clear background app. Guys, if you think that there is lot of app running in the background, so click clear app background app, so it will clear all the app running in background. Now mode gaming. If you don't want to change a specific game setting, if you want to change all game settings once, you click global settings, so that if you put any setting in this, so that all game setting will be changed. Guys, thanks for watching. If this game turbo works for you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe.